Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Hamad here. Today I am going to tell you about Samsung Galaxy A52s 5G launch date, display, camera, battery capacity, processor, memory, specifications and also additional features. So keep watching my video until end. The Samsung Galaxy A52s 5G provides enriched entertainment at excellent value. The new Samsung Galaxy A52s 5G enables everyone to enjoy an enriched gaming experience with an upgrading chipset and super fast charging at a price that suits their needs. London, UK, 17th August 2021. Samsung Electronics CEO Ltd today announced the Samsung Galaxy A52s 5G, making powerful innovations accessible to everyone. Following the Galaxy A52 5G launched earlier this year, the Galaxy A52s 5G is equipped with Qualcomm's upgraded Snapdragon 778G processor for improved performance as well as the stunning new awesome mint colors variant. Samsung Galaxy A52 5G will also expand your mobile experience by providing access to the wider Samsung Galaxy ecosystem of connecting devices such as Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro, Samsung Galaxy Smart Tag, and Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 by S7 Plus. A design and display that stands out. The Galaxy A52s 5G allows for a fuller visual experience with its Infinity Zero display, meaning you can enjoy your favorite movies on a large, fat and impressive 6.5 Super AMOLED display, and gaming just got better with the super smooth 120 Hz refresh rate designed for hours of smooth scrolling. The game playing allow for an awesome experience. Push the boundaries with awesome photography. Enjoy an enhanced camera experience with the multi-role quad camera, so you can level up your photography even further with the Samsung Galaxy A52s 5G 64MP main OIS ultra wide tele and micro camera. Capturing awesome shots has never been so easy. What's more, the 32MP selfie camera enhances your selfie game like no other. Rear quad cam with OIS. The 64MP camera allows you to shoot photos clearer in daytime, brighten at nighttime. OIS gives you blur frame image from day to night even in low light. Selfie camera 32MP to make your selfies stand out. Ultra wide micro camera perfectly capture where your eyes reached and widen your horizons with 123 ultra wide camera. The 5MP micro camera also lets you discover the small but wonderful details of your subject. Single take night mode. Single take lets you shoot it once and got multiply options enabled by AI, whilst night mode allows you to take vibrant, rich photos even under low light. Fun mode, you can now apply a lens for Snapchat with fun mode when snapping contact for the native camera app. Entertainment has never been more convenient. The Galaxy A52s 5G lets you enjoy a powerful game experience with AI-based game boosters. The frame boosters features adds virtual image between frames to smooth graphics so you can maximize your game experience. The awesome long-lasting 4500 mAh battery also comes with 25-watt super fast charging, meaning more time gaming and less time waiting for a fully charged battery. You can get a stereo audio experience without earphones right for your phone. Take movie night to or your favorite games to the next level with cinematic sound that immerses you in the scene thanks to the stereo speakers and Dolby Atmos for an impressive 3D surrounding sound experience. Worried about rain? Do not stop the fun on account of a little water. The Galaxy A52s 5G features IP65, making it dust and water resistant and withstands up to 1 meter water for 30 minutes, so you can just dry it off to keep on playing, watching and capturing. Hyper fast 5G. The Galaxy A52s 5G revolves your daily runtime with a faster and more responsive 5G network to achieve real-time connectivity, so you can get more done without waiting. Buffering is now a thing of the past. With 5G performance allow you to complete immersive yourselves in games with near zero lag. Additional features. The Galaxy A52s 5G includes additional features to enhance your overall experience when using the phone. RAM your apps faster and more efficiently with the optimized memory expansion. One UI3 designed for your convenience so you can get multi-things done on a single screen. The dynamic lock screen enables you to customize as you want, something perfect that matters to you with our multi-layered security. Easy Share is Galaxy ecosystems. Enhanced quick share in the way of sharing your files fast and in an intuitive way, and it can support even album folder sharing. Please subscribe my channel and also like, comment and share with friends. Meet you in next video.